Okay, you guys, welcome and welcome back. If you're returning, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome. I know I've been off the grid for a while, and again, so much has been going on. But I do have a tasty treat for you. And this tasty treat is gluten free and is vegan friendly. Okay, let's get started. Now, this is a Liberian banana cake or banana bread. Now, it's eaten throughout Africa, so there's many different versions of this recipe. This is just mine. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have a banana, nothing great here. And you know, if your bananas start having spots, this is perfect for this recipe because that means the banana is very, very sweet. And you know, you have bananas and you don't know what to do with them, and you don't really feel like making a, I don't know, a cake or anything. You can just make this. It's real easy. Very little ingredients, and like I said, it's gluten free and vegan friendly. Okay, now, and if you're new to my channel, thank you. And all my recipes have to be delicious and easy to make. No big equipment or anything like that. Now I'm just gonna mash this up with my fork. And you know, when I used to look at baking shows or baking channels, and they would have Cuisinarts and they would have stand mixer, I would always say to myself, oh, I cannot make that because I don't have a stand mixer or whatever little gadget they had. But this is real easy. And to all my returning, thank you so much. Thank you for hitting the like button and subscribing. Please take a moment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. It costs absolutely nothing. Okay, so you just want to mash that up with a fork. Or if you want to put it in a blender, you can. And I have about 2 others that I already mashed up. So I'm going to have 3 bananas. And don't worry, all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Okay, now, the star of the show. Now, I did say this was a banana, a Liberian banana cake or bread. But this is the star of the show. Yeah, let's see if you can see it. Cream of rice, gluten-free. And I'm going to go 2 cups of that. 1 and 2. You know, you won't believe how easy this cake is. You know, it's perfect for the holidays. Family is coming over. You want to make something really fast and get it on the table and enjoy your guests. Now, because we're not using flour, we're not using any self-rising flour, we're going to have to add this time baking soda and baking powder. So let's make sure I got these measurements right. Okay, yes I do. And again, just baking soda and baking powder, nothing special. These ingredients, and if you're new to my channel, my ingredients are simple ingredients that you can get from your local supermarket. You don't have to send away for them. And we're going to go in with a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon. So a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And this is baking powder. And we're going to go with 2 teaspoons. The year's going by so fast. I can't believe we're already in October, or the end of October, going into November. I hope this year has been very, I don't know, better than last year to you. I just can't believe how fast it's going to be 2024. It seemed like the year just flew by. And this is a half a cup of oil. And I'm using a neutral oil. And what I mean by that is a vegetable oil. If you use a corn oil, it may have flavor to it and you may not like it. Okay, now here's the fun part. You can make this any flavors that you like. This time I am using almond flavor. But if you wanted to use vanilla flavor, rum flavor, coconut flavor, any flavor you want, you can. And don't worry, measurements will be in the bottom. Okay, so let me just stir this up. And remember, this is vegan friendly because we don't have any animal products in it, no eggs, no butter. And you just want to stir until it's combined. Oh, I almost forgot one ingredient. Okay. Now, even though the bananas is going to make it sweet, you're going to come in. And this is what I love about making your own treats. You can decide how sweet you want it to be. And I'm just going to add about a cup of brown sugar. Almost a cup. And if you have white sugar, you can use white sugar if you want. And we're just going to keep mixing. Until it's combined. And I know it's going to look really thick, but that's okay. It all comes together later. And the banana also helps to keep it moist. And I know it's not looking like much, but trust me, it tastes delicious. Okay. Please give it a try. Let me know what flavoring you use. Maybe you didn't use almond. Okay, so I have my pan. That's just a simple 9x9. And it's non-stick, but you know me, I'm always worried about it sticking. So let me move this over. I think that's a little bit better. Okay. So since I'm always afraid of it sticking, I'm just going to put a little bit of oil. And I'm going to coat the pan. Okay. But if you have a non-stick and you know it won't stick, don't worry about that. You can skip that step. Okay. Now I'm just going to pour it in. There we go. Sorry about that. One second. Okay, and you just want to spread it out. Make sure it's even. Not even. Yeah, well, even in the pan. Yeah. Now I'm going to get this in an oven at 300 for about a half an hour. But really, everybody's oven is different. So at 25 minutes, give it a check and see because it just may be done. Okay, let's get this in the oven. Okay, you guys, so I took it out of the oven and I let it cool. Look how beautiful that cake is. I'm calling it a Liberian banana, gluten-free, vegan-friendly cake. Okay, now it's perfect just the way it is. It is gorgeous. Traditionally, they don't put anything on it, right? So there's no frosting or anything like that. But you know me. And this is optional. I have some powdered sugar. Again, you don't have to do this. You can leave it off. And I have some hot cocoa. I'm wondering, should I mix the two? Let's see. And again, if you don't like this, you can serve it just the way it is. It is perfect. I'm going to take about a spoonful, if I can. This is just the hot chocolate, and I'm just going to sprinkle it. And again, if you don't want to do this part, you don't have to. You can leave it off if your family don't like hot chocolate or chocolate at all. And there's only 1 cup of sugar in there, so I don't feel too bad. But again, you don't have to do any of this. This is just that was the hot chocolate. And now this is the powdered sugar. Oh boy. Maybe I shouldn't have put it on. What do you think? And I'm just using that to dust it on. And I'm using the back of a spoon to spread it. Okay. Maybe I made a mess. But I don't know. You tell me. Please take a moment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, enjoy.